Good morning, everyone. Zach here. I made it to Kapchorwa, Uganda. I came here yesterday from Eldoret, Kenya. It was a long journey. I took the minibus from Eldoret to Kitale, and then again a shuttle from there to Suam, which is a border town on the north side of Mount Elgon, which is a huge volcano. It's like 14,000 feet, and there's a road around the north side, and you can cross the border from Kenya into Uganda. Then I was met by kind of a mutual friend of someone there yesterday, and he drove me here to the town of Kapchorwa, which is Uganda's like running capital, the home of Joshua Cheptegei and Jacob Kiplimo, who Jacob just won the Chicago Marathon, and Alvin was saying that he's back in Kapchorwa already, and potentially we'll have the opportunity to see his training camp and maybe even meet him. So that's going to be super cool. I'm super excited to be here for probably the next week. So stay tuned to the videos. Like I said, I don't know if I said this, I'm staying with Alvin Karangizi. If you haven't seen Alvin's YouTube channel, check it out. I'll put a link in the description. His YouTube channel is really what helped me find this place and realize, wow, I need to come here to see what it's all about, producing some of the best middle and long distance runners in the world. So we're gonna be going through some of the local running scene in the next couple videos. Alvin's opening a running training center basically for athletes from Uganda, Africa, and all over the world to come visit Kapchorwa, stay here and do some training, and that's where I'm staying right now. It's still under construction. It hasn't even opened yet. He's been so gracious to offer me to stay here before it's even open, just as a friend. So, definitely huge shout out to Alvin, and I'll try to do a video, showing what this running camp is going to be like. Like I said, still under construction, but I think I can show you a pretty good idea, and it looks pretty awesome from what I've seen. And Uganda is just so different from Kenya in so many ways. It's crazy. Once you cross the border, the landscape drastically changes. The road from Kitale to Suam, dry, flat, hot, dusty. And then as soon as you cross the border, it's lush mountains, waterfalls, and just the most insane, volcanic landscape that you've ever seen, with huge mounds and plateaus. Yeah, Uganda's a beautiful country. I'm standing right now on the balcony. You can say I'm just grinning the whole time. I'm standing right now on the balcony, so I'm going to show you guys the view from here up the side of Mount Elgon. There's two waterfalls literally right on the other side of the camera, and then you can look out on the plateau below, so check it out. So looking up the mountain, you can see a waterfall right there on the right. I think there's another small one on the left, or at least there was earlier. Maybe it shut down. Yesterday it rained really hard. I don't think it rained overnight. It's so hilly here. Way more hilly than Kenya. And you can see the plateau out that way. Hey Joel.
Yes, hi.
I'm doing a video.
Oh, yeah.
Can you tell us what track we're at?
No, this is a track of Uganda Bomber Ground.
Bomber Ground.
Yeah, this is always do for track.
Okay. Does most of the athletes do their training here?
Yeah, we always do training here, like Joshua Cheptegei, Jacob Kiplimo, and then there's another track there in Chamwana, 21 kilometers away from this town.
Oh, okay.
And we yet have another one in Teriet. That is a high altitude, 2,600 meters.
Wow. And what's the altitude here?
I think it's 1,000 something.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's first go to irrigating Rosa. Yeah, and then we come and see where we can see. Yeah. We can go to Rosa Cafe. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Let me show you Rosa Camp.
Yeah, that sounds great. Is that Stanley Rosa?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. That's okay.
Is
we first go and show him Rosa. Yeah. Then we go.
is that Stanley Rosa?
Yes.
Oh, okay. There was a camp there in Kapchorwa. Or no, I'm in Kapchorwa right now. In Kapsabet. That was Rosa camp. We're watching the Amsterdam Marathon on the phone. There's Joshua right there in the back, in orange. Yeah.
Wow. Joshua's close now. He's close. Yeah.
This is Highland Guest House, which is another place to stay in Kapchorwa.
It's clever because it helps stop the car getting some damage.
We just watched the Amsterdam Marathon in the Rosa training camp, and Jacob Kiplima was there, so we got to meet him. He won the Chicago Marathon last week, and he's the half marathon world record holder. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes.
Bye.
A friend Moses owns a guest house in Sippy Falls, and he showed us some of the rooms that he has available, and he also has a coffee farm, and he showed us some of the coffee beans and talked us through the process.
I can pull him, he comes to me. No, he doesn't want to go. Yeah, this is the curtain. They are like this.
Hey, you brought this.
This is the wedding. You.
It's beautiful, the view. Wow. Why just people's brakes fail and then they get out of control?
Mostly cars that are not used to riding.
Wow.
Guess it's on a pretty near Bagasai. I'm there, down the city. No, I've been and Urwanisa Sang Naber So?
Wow. Wow. It's so beautiful, the country. Oh, down here?
Yeah, there's loads of coffee. Wow.
And there's falls down here.
Yeah, we'll see it in a second. The lower falls. Through this, there it is.
Yeah,
Hey, it's
wow.
very small.
No. There is another one.
This one, there's another
Oh,
one.
that's a small one. Okay.
You can see there.
Ah, yeah.
You know,
I was wondering.
Kapchorwa has 1,000 waterfalls.
Wow.
So that is just the beach of the
Hey!
Is the road.
Amazing. Sippy Falls. Sippy Falls. Kapchorwa, Uganda.
Now I got her when she was already sleeping. I placed it. I was also. Then I left
Wow,
it.
okay.
The moment she grabbed.
Well,
Can you tell us what's in the drink?
this is a
No,
called
it was small,
lakwek. It's a local drink.
Okay.
Mix honey and the local herbs.
Honey and local herbs.
Fermented.
And it's fermented.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll give it a try.
It's okay.
I think that's okay, sir.
Lakwek? Lakwek.
Yes, you can.
It's good. And we have some sugar cane, fresh.
Comes and joins you to form up a marriage. So that is that dedication.
And then you become one.
You become one.
You become 1 + 1 + 4 children.
That is it. That is at school.
This is 1 + 1 + 6. 1 + 1 = 6.
Yeah, no, 1 + 1.
You are 6.
Yeah, we are fixed.
Who is plastic?
Moses was 1 + 1 = 6. With this, someone might come to you in future and ask.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. What an incredible day. Got to meet the half marathon world record holder, Jacob Kiplimo, explore Sipi and the waterfalls in that area. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. The rest of the video is just our drive back to Kapto, Alvin's training center on the muddy road. It rains a lot here, so the road right now gets pretty rough, but we made it back to his place.
Yeah, it's tough. Let's just take our time.
Oh!
Relax. We'll move. There's a part in front.
Yeah. Is it dry on that side?
I don't think so.
There's some grass on this side if you need.
No, it will be tough because there's a ditch after that.
Oh.
Last thing I want is to put a tire in the ditch. Now it's about staying in the middle of the road and just sliding.
Okay.
Did I change to gear 1? Yeah. Now I have to come this side because if I slide too much. Yeah, I'll maneuver this.
Oh, very good.
Now there's one more tough part.
Okay.
That culvert area.
I think it's just mud in their wheel well.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Eh. Very weird.
Gosh, we're sliding all over.
We're now in the home stretch.
Wow, yeah, that's kicked on thick.